11. Which is the best way to write the underlined portion of the sentence? However, their VCR kept them from missing their favorite primetime shows. A. Keeps. B. Keeps. C. Hard keep. D. Hard keep. D. Keep. So the answer is letter B. Why? Because the subject VCR is singular. So the verb must be keeps. Number 12. Which is the best way to write the underlined portion of the sentence? A person should keep in mind some basic safety rules when you are deciding whether or not to use a fire extinguisher. A. Rules you decide. B. Rules when you decided. C. Rules you are deciding. D. Rules when deciding. So the answer is letter D. Why? Because letter D. This choice fixes the pronunciation shift from a person to you, and it is grammatically smooth. Number 13. What correction should be made to this sentence? Most states, tourism departments, and some travel agencies have bed and breakfast listing. A. Insert a comma after agencies. B. Change have to has. C. Change tourism to tourism. D. Change state to state. So the correct answer is letter D. So state is not a proper noun here and should not be capitalized. Okay. Number 14. What correction should be made to this sentence? Recently, educators examined the effectiveness of computer instruction in schools. A. Replace educators with educators. B. Change the spelling of examine to examined. C. Change schools to schools. D. Replace computer with computers. So the correct answer is letter B. So examined is misspelled. The correct spelling is examine. Okay. 15. Which is the best way to write the underlined portion of the sentence? However, if a fire extinguisher is handy, a quick thinking person often can use them to put out a small fire. A. They. B. Him. C. Them. D. It. So the correct answer is letter D. Fire extinguisher is singular, so the pronoun must be it, not them. 16. What correction should be made to the sentence? Firstborns often pattern their behavior after their parents and other adults. A. Replace their to their. B. Change pattern to pattern. C. Replace their to their. D. No correction is necessary. So the correct answer is letter C. There means they are. The sentence needs to be possessive there. 17. What correction should be made to the sentence? Most fire-related deaths result from household fires, yet many people do not have fire extinguishers in their home. A. Remove the comma after the fire. B. Change result to results. C. Change have to has. D. Replace deaths with death. So the correct answer is letter D. The apostrophes are not used to make plurals. The correct plural is deaths. Number 18. What correction should be made to the sentence? One of their theories is that the first child received more of the parents' attention than other children, so firstborn tend to be more intellectual. A. Change is to are. B. Insert a comma after children. C. Change parents to parents. D. Change theories to theories. So the correct answer is letter D. The praise one of their theories implies possession of a single theory belonging to them. To make the meaning consistent with one, the noun should be singular and possessive. Number 19. Which is the best way to write an underlined portion of the sentence? The host also benefit from running such a business because they can stay at home, make money, and meeting a variety of people. A. To get to meet. B. To meet. C. And meet. D. And be meeting. The correct answer is letter C. The verbs should be in parallel form: stay, make, and meet. Number 20. Which is the best way to write the underlined portion of the sentence? The studies revealing that for various reasons, girls spend less time working with computers than boys. A. Revealing studies. B. Studies revealed. C. Studies revelations. D. Studies will reveal. The correct answer is letter B. So letter B is correct. Is the correct. Please correct the sentence fragment and make it a complete sentence.